Now let's talk about how you can use letters on the iPhone dial pad. Now, a lot of people might be confused about this, so if you like this type of content and want to know everything about your phone, stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button. Anyways, you open up the phone app, and if you find the dial pad, like the keypad from the selection below, you can see that we have both the numbers, like the keypad, but they also have the letters under them. And that's kind of interesting, right? Like you are typing in numbers. But the reason why it exists is because the numbers might be like, the companies and people and businesses usually make their numbers more memorable. And they do it by replacing the numbers with text. For example, Apple has their number to be 1-800 my Apple. And the way that it works is that the letters represented the numbers, right? So the 1-800 my Apple would be 1-800, and then you look for the letter M, right? It is under the 6, so you press 6. The Y is on a 9, so we have MY. Then there is the Apple, A is number 2. Then we have the P, double P for Apple, so that means 777, and then L for the 5, and E is number 3. And right now I have typed in 1-800 my Apple, which is their support number, right? So that's how it works, and this is why the letters actually exist on the dial pad of your phone. The reason why it exists is because the brick phones back in the day only had this option, and it came out to be because there were these physical buttons which you used both to type numbers and letters, so yeah, it makes sense to incorporate it that way. But it still seems to be a popular tactic because it, as I said, makes the numbers more memorable. So yeah, I hopefully managed to explain it well to you. Let me know below in the comments what you think, and as I say, if you like to see more videos about phones and all of the tech related stuff, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.